Hi, I'm Kelly Hamlin with Summit Sotheby's International Realty here in Park City, Utah. The most important question that an agent has to ask themselves is what brokerage to align themselves with. And for me, after researching the various real estate agencies in the area, Summit Sotheby's International Realty was the obvious choice. They are a global brand that provides maximum worldwide exposure for my client's property. They have the only in-house full-service advertising team, and they continue to win awards on a national level. They're cutting edge and innovative, so whether I'm working with graphic design, video, print, or internet marketing, I could not find a better team. Effectively marketing my client's property is so critical. So much prep work, brainstorming, and expertise goes into preparing for that first second that property hits the open market. And I feel the team at Summit Sotheby's International Realty helps me do that at a higher level. So when someone has a real estate need, I think the most important question that they have to ask is what agent to hire. There's a lot of great agents out there, so why should they hire me? I think what really separates me is my experience, my positive attitude, and my energy. I have spent most of my career in the real estate industry with one exception. When I was a broker in Brentwood, California, I was recruited to become president of an early stage technology company that developed cutting edge marketing software. I ran that company for 11 years until it sold. It was really good for me to step outside and to be into a whole different industry, marketing and selling an entirely different product. And it's proven to be priceless as I take that experience into my real estate business. I also think what separates me is that I really do have a true heart to serve, and I will do all that I can to exceed my clients' expectations. I have personally moved 20 times in 25 years of marriage, and I think that makes me uniquely qualified in understanding that moving can be super exciting, but it can also be really unsettling. And I truly enjoy lightening any burden for my client. I think my clients would say that I'm really good at anticipating their needs and I'm always reachable. I think also they would say that I build rapport very easily. These skills, along with my ability to really read a situation and a person quickly, has proven to be invaluable in getting my client's property contracted and sold. I chose to live in Utah for a couple reasons. My daughter lives here, her husband, and my brand new grandbaby. And I also have a teenager still at home, and he loves the outdoors. I think we really missed that when we left California. So we really enjoy all the hiking and skiing and mountain biking that the state has to offer. Utah has the most beautiful scenic background if you want to be outdoors, and if you like to be physically active and do that outside, there's no better backdrop than Utah. I'm in the business of helping people find their perfect home and their perfect lifestyle, and my goal is to make that a fun and exciting journey. I really enjoy meeting new people, and I really work hard to earn their trust, their respect, and ultimately the goal of their friendship. If you find yourself looking for an agent, I really hope you give me a call. And if you have a friend or family member that has a real estate need, I would love an introduction. To me, the best form of a compliment is a referral.